Welcome to our video tutorial on how to easily add the Flex ESP3 system to Protegus 2 via Wi-Fi. And the best part? This technique can also be applied to other Trikdis Wi-Fi hardware. First, open the side menu and click on Add New System. On the next screen, you have the option to either manually enter your panel's unique ID or use the QR code found on the control panel or product packaging. Simply press Next and wait up to 30 seconds, although usually it only takes a few seconds for the control panel ID to be checked. Once the ID has been verified, Protegus enters scanning mode, prompting you to press and hold the pairing button on the control panel, as shown in the animation. Once the mod LED starts blinking, the control panel enters pairing mode. Wait for Protegus to confirm that the Flex ESP3 has been found, and then press OK. After clicking OK, you will receive a notification to turn off mobile data on your smartphone. Disable mobile data and make sure your Wi-Fi is on. Next, you will see a list of available networks for the Flexi to connect to. Select the network you wish to connect to and enter the password. Once connected, it typically takes anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds for the Flexi to go online. Once the Flexi is online, you will see a screen to add your system. Name your system and configure the necessary settings before pressing Next. Now, simply wait while your system is created. And that's it. Your system has been successfully added. Personalize and name your areas and zones, or skip this step and start using your freshly added system right away.